Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox apple pomegranate smoothie. Now, this is something that we definitely need to try during breakfast. For this, I'm going to take 1 cup of apples which are nicely chopped and cleaned. I add it to the mixer grinder. Next, I add a cup of pomegranates which are nicely peeled. I'll top this up with some soaked dates. Now we need to soak these dates for roughly 2 to 3 hours prior to making the juice. I'll top this up with some ice cubes to provide us with a refreshing taste. We'll add some chia seeds to it, which are again soaked. We'll top this up with some cinnamon powder. We'll add boiled milk, which has been cooled. Now this is very important, we should not add raw milk to this. We'll top this up with some honey for taste and for the healthy properties it holds. And now it's time to grind our juice. Because it's a smoothie, we will not run it through a sieve. It's better we have it along with the pulp. Our 100% detox apple pomegranate smoothie is ready to be had.